How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we will be doing hand grip training. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel. If you guys haven't already, I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. We'll be using 200 pounds of resistance. I think that's what we did last time. We did 7 reps. Today we'll do 8 reps. Again, I like varying the rep ranges up. It makes for better workouts. You don't want to be doing the same reps every single time. You kind of want to be progressing, but at the same time, there are times where you can go a little bit easier to allow yourself to recover, but still get in a good workout. So a lot of times when I did powerlifting, that's what you do. You wouldn't go hardcore all the time. Sometimes you just get in some good amount of volume, good amount of work, practice your technique. And that also, one person asked me what the green stuff is. It's just tape, because sometimes my hands slip. So it's just tape. It's nothing special. It's actually electrical tape. So 8 reps, just like that. Not too bad. Yeah, just getting in some solid work. 4th video of the day, so really good. Only 750 right now. So I'm making 4 videos in under an hour. I started making videos at 7, so I made 4 videos in an hour. So not too bad. Today I'd like to do a little bit more videos than I did yesterday. Yesterday I did 17, which is still, that's a good number. I shoot for 18 per day, but 17 is still good. I mean, it's one video short. Today it'd be kind of cool to hit like 25 or something. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling a little more repetitive, a little more videos today, but we'll see how the day goes. Doing really good for my weight loss. Started at 206 pounds. I'm now sitting at 178. So couldn't ask for anything better. Goal at the start of the year in 2020 was to be at 175. Probably gonna hit 175 within a couple of weeks, maybe within the week. I don't know. Is it freaking snowing outside? Again, if you guys are wondering, it's being uploaded June 21st, I think, but it's February 16th today. That's how far ahead I am on videos, but yeah, it might be. Maybe not. I don't know. I can't tell. Anyways, I'm gonna make another 2 videos, then get some more coffee. Last couple days I have been having headaches, but could be from dropping the weight. So just take some Tylenol and good to go. Again, if you're doing these, I recommend doing both arms. Don't just do one like I'm doing. I'm doing mine for demonstration purposes. I recommend doing the other arm as well, so you don't get muscle imbalances. Yeah. I've been thinking about adding another 2 topics to my channel. Thinking about back fat, but then I need another one. I'm not quite sure what the other one would be. So yeah, don't know. Something to do with the face, though. I think that might be kind of cool. I can't really do biceps because I don't really have dumbbells. And biceps you kind of need because it's pulling movement. I mean, there are a couple exercises that you can do for your biceps. If you have a counter, I have a desk. You can actually do pull-ups from underneath the desk. Counter works better, as long as you don't pull the freaking counter down. That would suck. You can do pulling your arms towards yourself. That you can use a door. Those are really the only 2 exercises that I can think of. Might be able to make an arm video, maybe. We will see. I'll try to do some research into body weight bicep movements. That might be the other video. So That would be a 5-minute video. I wouldn't really go 10 minutes on that one. Oh, just like that. That's 40 reps. So good amount of volume. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.